Do you carry your phone or laptop with you at all times? Are you bored of mindlessly scrolling around social media? In today's video, you'll learn how to start earning money online by just viewing videos, which isn't a boring activity for anyone who wants to be paid for doing so. Take a look at all these people who are earning money in real time and receiving compensation for every video they watch. What's more, it doesn't require any unique abilities, everyone can do it. However, keep in mind that this isn't a full-time job. Instead, think of it as a side business. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Now before we get into the video, this isn't your typical method for making money by watching videos. It's a little different, and in order to properly set things up, you'll need to watch every single second of this tutorial. So if you skip ahead, you might not know what you need to do and it simply won't benefit you. The first thing you'll need to do is go to youtube.com. You'll be paid to view videos, but before we do so, you must first sign in to youtube.com, which I'll show you how to do. To log in, go to the upper right corner of the page and click sign in. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address and password. If you don't have a Google account, go to this page and click create account on the following page. Fill in your entire name in these two boxes as well as your complete new email address right below. Finally, type in and retype your password in these two boxes as confirmation, then click next to continue. The Explore button will appear on the left-hand side of the page once you log into your YouTube account, and you'll want to click it on the next page where you'll have to choose a game. What this will do now is show you the videos in the gaming niche that are performing particularly well and are receiving a large number of views. The next step is for you to choose one of these games. It doesn't really matter which one you choose as long as it is well liked and popular, because the gaming industry is so vast and popular you can't go wrong with any game you choose. Now, you'll be able to find specific videos when you select any of those games, and they're all receiving a lot of views that are increasing over time. Now, you should leave this page and go to the second website that we'll be using today to get paid. So, the second website that I'm about to show you is called 7r6.com, and it's a place where you could make money by shortening the URLs of specific videos. As you can see, the first thing that is required for you is to create an account, after which you can shorten the link to any website and be compensated. Basically, this is why they will pay you to shorten links. When someone clicks on a shortened link to any website, not just a YouTube video link, it'll first be directed to an external page where they will see advertisements before being redirected to the target site. In this way, the website generates revenue through advertising, which is also how YouTube generates revenue, and the ad money is shared with the person who just shortened the links on this platform. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. So, to continue, this is what you'll do when you first arrive on site. Again, you must first register an account before you can be compensated. So, go to the upper right corner of the page and click the sign up button, which will take you to the screen where you'll enter your username, email address, and password to sign up. After that, check this box and then click the register button below to finish the process. You can also check your total number of views, earnings, referral earnings, and average CPM over here. To shorten the URL, simply click on a new shorten blank right here and paste it into this box. Finally, once you earn a good amount of money from those shortened links, you can withdraw your money by clicking on the withdrawal icon to the left. After you've created an account, all you have to do is shorten links to earn money, and the YouTube videos are the ones we'll want to shorten. So you can copy and shorten links from any of these videos. I'll give you a pro tip for making more money. Focus on live videos, and I guarantee you'll see better results and make more money. Simply click on live here to have it only show you live videos, and that's all there is to it. The next step is to open any one of them, such as this one, and to find the video's URL. Simply click on share over here and copy the link, then return to this platform and paste it in this box. Then click on shorten below to finish the process. To make it really efficient, repeat the process for at least 3 videos. Just remember that shortening as many links to various videos as possible will allow you to earn even more money. Now that you've shared various links to various videos, it's time to put them all together. Now, your traffic source is the only thing that's missing. You must get people to click on your link in order to be compensated, so how can you do this? Now, don't worry, I'll share with you 2 major traffic sources. The first is steamcommunity.com. It's a forum where people talk about things related to gaming through Steam. Thousands of postings about multiple games can be found here, and the site receives millions of monthly visitors. Now, we're here because we want to share shortened links to YouTube gaming videos. These 2 aspects make it an ideal traffic source for us. The first thing you'll need to do on this website is to create an account. From there, all you have to do is create a post on the site where you'll share your shortened links to start getting clicks. Imagine how easy it is to earn money online. You can just sit back and wait for hundreds of thousands of clicks from gamers and people from all over the internet. Apart from Steam, you can also share shortened links by using moot.us. You can simply do what you did with Steam and follow all the steps that I just shared with you, and you'll be amazed at the amount of traffic that's about to come your way. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.